nahingi ng social media. Tapos ayun, nakapag-usap
I don't like Chica. I'm not Chica. I'm a human.
Na
asked me na mag-overnight daw.
Actually, yung sinabi niya, hindi siya
Pero,
reason is emotionally, alam niya naman siya. Kaya hindi siya
No, it's not hot here. It's raining here.
for my girls out there, if some
Real talk, moms, have you ever
Hey,
dressed
Peter.
your baby and realized, parang hindi na
pwede
friend?
mo ipakita sa tao kung gaano mo siya mahal, pwede mo ipakita sa tao kung gaano mo siya gusto, pero huwag mong ipilitin mo na gustuhin ka at mahalin ka pabalik. No regrets. Just like you, I have experienced na hindi din ready yung tao sa akin. And here is my message for that person. I am sincerely happy that you're happy now. Lahat ng bagay na ginawa ko para.
Nag-love ka na ba sa workplace mo pero alam mo, hindi pwede. Alam mo yung feeling na araw-araw.
I want to go, but I don't really want to go. But what if I go and I realize I didn't want to go and then I shouldn't have gone? But then, what could happen is if I don't go.
You know, as a fun challenge for anyone who's listening, try telling the truth in social settings. So when someone invites you to a party, instead of coming up with a fake excuse that you both know is a fake excuse, just say, I don't want to go.
How to decline an invitation.
No, I'm just kidding. Let's get into it. Thank you so much for the invitation. I'm actually feeling really burnt out this week, and I'm gonna have to take a recheck. But I appreciate you thinking of me. Well, that sounds like so much fun.
If someone invites you but you don't want to go, how do you decline it? Here are some tips on how to do it politely without real talk lang sa mga babae dyan. Yung maniligaw mo pag lalaki, grabe magparamdam sa'yo. Grabe mag-call, mag-text, mag-chat. Tapos laging pinapafeel na namimiss kaya araw-araw. As in araw-araw. Tapos bigla na lang. Mawawala. Nagparang pula. For 1 week. Or more. Ako. Mag-ingat ka. Kasi yan yung mga tipo ng tao na dapat mong iwasan.
Dapat.
Real talk lang sa mga babae dyan. Yung maniligaw mo pag lalaki, grabe magparamdam sa'yo. Grabe mag-call, mag-text, mag-chat.
Paano kung nagre-reply siya sa mga chat mo kaso ayaw?
What do you do if you can feel them wanting to ask you out and you really don't want them to because you don't want to go out with them, but like you want to be friends with them? You don't want to make things awkward, but at the same time you don't want to be like arrogant and be like, oh, they're gonna ask me out. Do you bring up another guy just to be like, oh, I'm not single, like you are single, or do you just wait?
How to get out of any situation. I'm going to tell you the secret sauce.
Eto na nga, sweet, consistent mag-chat ang may landi. Pero kapag tinanong mo kung ano ba talaga kayo ang sagot, hindi ko alamin. Okay, ito mga zodiac signs na gusto ko naman.
Duh,
Pero
yes,
hindi ko
Alfredo.
i-pursue. Siyempre na kayo,
I don't care.
Pero pag nagyaya ka makipag-date, biglang busy. Oo, gusto naman kita pero hindi ako sure kung ready na ako. Oo, gusto ka naman niya, pero...
Aries, how old are you, Aries?
Pero naka-trial version. Who are you? So, obvious na chemistry kayo. Pero ayun.
If you were not invited, don't go. Paano po mga proper ways to decline? Help naman po.
I'm so sorry.
How to decline an invitation without sounding rude. Pag naliligaw ka, dapat pinapakilala mo yung sarili mo nila.
Dalawang bagay na gagawin sa'yo ng crush mo to. Sean, I know that in life, there are...
marami nagtatanong sa akin kung ano nga ba yung learning routine ko. So, ito na guys, hindi ko na para
Hello, babe.
This is my secret. Pang 3 weeks ko na ginagamit yung PDR and CO. Sobrang makikip to guys.
Hindi ko yan Rodolfo.
Hello? Guys, alam niyo ba na finrent tayo ni Mr. Janokim sa IG? Tapos nang in-story natin siya, hinart niya tayo. So dahil kinikilig ako, ginawa natin ang paglalagay ang project. Medyo na twist-twist na, pero ito yung sa kanya. Oh, I'm shocked. Pakinggan niyo.